Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and get your Robinhood API key so you can import your crypto transactions into CoinLedger safely and easily. So, let's get started. First, log into your Robinhood account on their desktop site. Click on Account in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Then, on the next page, choose the Crypto tab under your name. Scroll down until you see the API Trading section. Click on plus Add Key. Now you need public and private API keys. Instead of doing it manually, CoinLedger can automatically generate these keys for use. To do this, go to the import stage of your CoinLedger account. Click Add Account, then choose Robinhood. Click Auto Import, then hit Generate. Keep this CoinLedger window open. You'll need it for the next step. Copy the public key from the CoinLedger. Go back to Robinhood and paste it into the public key field. Name the key and set Allowed API actions to read only. Set the expiration date as far into the future as allowed. Click Save. Robinhood will then generate an API key. It usually starts with RH. Copy that API key. Back in CoinLedger, paste that Robinhood API key into the appropriate field. Make sure your public and private keys from CoinLedger are still in place. Then, click Sync Transactions. If you want to avoid duplicate data, set a start date using import settings. Note: due to Robinhood's API limitations, deposits and withdrawals won't be included automatically. You'll need to add them manually to CoinLedger. And that's it. That's how you generate and connect your Robinhood API key to CoinLedger. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.